Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS CloudWatch for monitoring streaming pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure AWS CloudWatch for monitoring streaming pipelines, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch service from the Services menu. In the CloudWatch dashboard, click on Alarms in the left-hand menu. Select Create Alarm to initiate the alarm configuration process. Choose Select Metric to view available metrics for your streaming pipeline. Select the appropriate namespace associated with your streaming service, such as Kinesis or data streams. Identify the specific metrics you want to monitor, such as incoming bytes or get records. Iterator age. Click on Select Metric to proceed with your choice. Define the conditions for your alarm, including the threshold type and the specific values that will trigger the alert. Specify the period and evaluation periods to establish how frequently the metric will be assessed. Scroll down to define actions for the alarm. You can choose to send notifications through Amazon SNS by selecting or creating a notification topic. Set the name and description for the alarm to keep track of its purpose. Review all the configurations you've made to ensure accuracy. Click on Create Alarm to finalize your setup. Next, navigate to the CloudWatch logs in the left-hand menu. Choose log groups to browse existing log groups or create a new log group for your streaming pipeline. For a new log group, click on Create Log Group and provide a suitable name. Under the created log group, configure the logging settings for your streaming pipeline. Set up CloudWatch Agent if you need detailed insights and monitoring. Install the CloudWatch Agent on the EC2 instances that are part of your streaming architecture. Use the AWS Systems Manager or command line to configure the CloudWatch Agent. After installation, edit the CloudWatch Agent configuration file to specify the log files to monitor. Start the agent to begin sending streaming data logs to CloudWatch. Return to the CloudWatch dashboard and select Dashboards from the menu. Create a new dashboard by clicking on Create Dashboard. Add widgets to your dashboard to visualize metrics related to your streaming pipeline. Select metric graphs, number metrics, or text metrics based on your monitoring needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.